Today we're going to read a small section of the book Hippo Moms. You read the whole story yesterday, and today we're just going to look at one part so that we can talk more closely about the author's purpose. Yesterday we learned the authors of this book were Matt Rayer and Katie Anks. Today we're going to try to figure out, why did Matt and Katie write this book? Page 6 says, a baby hippo is little. Later on page 11, the author tells us that this is a hippo family. Page 16 says the baby hippo is hot. The baby hippo wants to go in the water. The baby hippo is too little. Do you notice in the picture that the baby hippo is not able to reach the bottom because it's too small? So that's a problem. But look who came to help. It says the baby hippo gets on the mother hippo. So the hippo can now go in the water and cool down because the mother hippo is letting her little hippo on her back to stay cool. But look, there's a problem. It says the crocodile is in the water too. The crocodile wants to get the baby hippo. Wow, look at the mother hippo's big mouth. Look at her big teeth. She will not let the crocodile get her baby. Wow, the mother hippo came to the rescue again. She's protecting her baby. The mother hippo will fight the crocodile. Now the crocodile will go. The mother and her baby are safe. When we first got started today, I told you that we would be exploring, why did the author write the text? Well, I think the author wrote the text to tell us that hippos are good mothers or good moms to their babies. Do you agree with me? The author showed us pictures and wrote some words to tell us all the things that mother hippos do to help their babies. Do you remember what they did to help their babies? Go grab a mother and baby hippo puppet out of your resource bin. Use the puppet to answer this question for your teacher on Seesaw. Tell your teacher, how do mother hippos help their babies? Think back to the book that we just read together. What were some ways that they helped?